Hi, Pre-orchestra. So this is your second video for this week. We are going to now do Dizzle Dazzle. So I know at the end, let's see, when we left our classes, we were just about to do it. We're just getting to it now. So what we're going to do today is that we're going to start by reviewing Pizzicato Dizzle Dazzle. Okay, many of you don't remember it from last year, but we're going to review that, and then we're going to start putting it with our bow in 2 different sections, okay? And then next week I will make one more video for Dizzle Dazzle and put it all together. So this is your Dizzle Dazzle part 1 video, okay? Okay, so I think the first thing to do is to listen to me play the first part of it, okay? We're going to do this in 2 separate parts. There's 2 sections to Dizzle Dazzle. All right, so if you want to just listen, maybe imagine your fingers. We're going to do this on the A string, okay? And then we're going to do it on the D string, actually. Okay? So this is on the A string. Okay? And I'm going to get my left hand. Now just go ahead and listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that was about the first section. I went on a little bit, but that's okay. I think we can go ahead and do that together. A couple things I'm gonna remind you of, okay? So we start with a perfect left hand position, okay? And we'll do D, D, and then hover, A, and then hold and hover, okay? So let's just start with that. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, D, hover. Stop. Let's do it together now. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, D, hover, hold, and hover. Did you get it? Let's do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, D, hover, hold, and hover. Okay, if you didn't get that, you can pause the video and practice that a few times. But let's continue on. So there's one more part in our first section, okay? Listen to me. Repeat down the steps. 2, 3, 4. Did you hear it? Okay, so let's do that together. All 4 fingers on your A string. Beautiful hand position. Left hand pits. Okay, and let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat down the steps. 2, 3, 4. Just a couple things about that. When you're doing repeat down the steps, make sure each finger is staying beautifully covered. Okay? Let's get set up and let's do the second part one more time. All 4 fingers down. Left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat down the steps. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I think we're ready to play this all together, the whole first line with pizzicato, okay? All 4 fingers down on your A string. We're doing this on the A string. Left hand. 1, 2, from the beginning. Hover. Hold and hover. Repeat down the steps. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if that was a struggle for you, you need to stop, pause, and do it. Now, I think if you don't need to stop, let's keep going. But if you do need to stop, just stop right now. If that was okay for you, then we're going to go to actually putting our bow on the A string, okay? So we're going to do this all on the A string. Eventually, we'll do both this song on the A string and the D string, but today is just the A string. Now, we're going to start by playing it the exact same way we did Mary Had a Little Lamb. We did our pizzicato, then we're going to do open string. So we have to imagine the song in our head, okay? So lift your hand. Move your hand to the A string, okay? And now we can imagine the song together. D, D, A, hold, and so you have to sing that in your head, okay? Are you ready? Play with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, A, hold, and repeat down the steps to stop and. Okay? Should we try that? Now, let's try that again if that was a little confusing. Let's try that with me playing open string A. With me playing the melody and you playing open string A, okay? Lift your wrist, open your elbow, okay? Now I'm gonna play the melody and you're gonna play open string A. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, hover, hold, and A, and repeat. 1, 2, stop. Okay, very good. Let's try that one more time, all right? Let's get our bow, our wrists lifted. Let's push to the A string. Get our shoulders set up. Now I'm gonna play the fingers and you're just gonna play open string, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow, bow, slow, bow. Slow, bow, stop, and. How was it? Was it okay? Okay, if it was, then let's just, if you need to, just go ahead and pause the video and practice that a couple more times in your head, or maybe you're not even ready right now to go on, okay? In which case, stop and come back tomorrow to this place, okay? Do the video again tomorrow and continue on. But today we're gonna finish by putting our left hand together with our right hand, all right? So I'm gonna get my bow ready. I'm gonna push my bow to the A string, okay? And then I'm gonna put all 4 fingers on the A string, okay? If you want to, you can play it with me or you can listen right now, okay? Whichever you want. But you can probably all play it with me. Let's try together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hover. Slow, bow, hover. Down the steps to stop and. Okay, how was that? I don't know. Probably okay. Maybe not so okay. Let's try it one more time and then I'm gonna let you be done with this video and practice this at home. Okay, so let's try this one more time. Lift your wrist, open to the A string, drop your shoulders. All 4 fingers on the A string, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hover, hold, and hover. Down the steps to stop and. One thing to think about. It's your 4th finger that really, all we're doing is lifting 4th, up, 4th, up. Okay, so you really need to make sure your 4th finger, your D, is always really in tune as you're playing this. That's probably going to be one of the hardest things. So you want your fingers to be so solid that you don't even really have to think about them. That's where the pizzicato comes in, okay? Same with the bow. We practice pizzicato, then we practice bow, then we put them together, okay? And each one of them has to be so strong before they come together, all right? Okay, you guys, next video I will do the second half of Dizzle Dazzle and we'll put it all together. All right, you guys, I hope this was helpful today. I hope it gave you something kind of new to practice for the rest of this week. If it was tough for you, don't be discouraged. Just do it a lot, come back to it, and you'll get better. You know, we all make mistakes. I've made plenty of these mistakes in these videos. But I think that we're all in this together and that you just give it your best shot. All right, you guys, I will see you next week. Bye-bye.